Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's Tay Harris. What I'm about to do right now is try to take this out of this 94 Accord and put it in my other one. My other one stopped working, so I'm gonna take this one out, put it in the other car. There's 1,000 ways to do this. This is my first time, but I pretty much know what to do. So what I'm gonna do is start by getting this screw and that screw, and yeah. I'm working with one hand here, so yeah. There we go. If I wasn't recording it, it'll look a little easier. Move this screw right here. It dropped somewhere down there, but I got another one, so we're good. I don't think there's another one on this side, but up under here there's like 2 screws. If you put your hand up under that, you can kind of feel it, and it attaches to the bottom of this piece right here, the black piece, and then that way you can just pull it out. If you yank it, you risk breaking like a whole lot of shit, so that shit won't be my fault. I wouldn't advise you to do it, but hey, good luck. Alright, so under here, 1 screw, 2 screw. Undo those 2, and yeah. That piece right here, is like a little latch right there. Pop it out. Another screw right here, take it out, and you should be able to pull this whole part out. Oh yeah, and then we got 2 down here too. Don't forget these 2. That one and that one. Right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Uninstall. Well, unplug 1, 2, and 3. 2 out. Trying to get the other one out now. Let's see this. Right. Here. So pulled it out, got it right here. So see y'all next time, man.